Speed scene wiring online tutorial. SSW part number 68. SSW part number 68. This is a HEI large style connector for the Tach. The terminal is a part number SSW4, SSW part number 4, and an 18 gauge wire. I'm going to be using basic hand tools to complete this job: cutters, crimp tool with alphabetical index for keyways that we're going to be using, strippers. Take your wire, 18 gauge, strip back about 1/8 of an inch of insulation. Place your terminal on the wire, even up the width of this terminal. Start in C, then go to D, then finish up in E. Same thing with the back. C, D, stop at D for the back. Go back to the front of the terminal. Crimp down the front of it. 5-pound pull test. Align the terminal with the connector and the keyway in the proper position. And your harness is built. To remove this, purchase one of our blue terminal tools online. Go to the top hat section of the front of the connector. Press down to hear it click. Remove out the back side. To place this back in, get a razor blade, bend up the locking tab, and place back in.